It's JDM.
With a Z.
Switch it up.
Okay, next up is a 1996 Nissan Stagea. It's a RS4V, so all-wheel drive turbo. We got some paint issues on top. What is that? Is that a bike? Can't be anything cool. Oh, it's got a DAYZ kit, it looks like. Retrofitted out for some glow plates. Old school glow plates, obviously. Got some carbon fiber. Fake stuff. Oh, we got a little bit of peeling back here too. Yeah, a little bit of peeling on here too. So clearly she's gonna need some paint for sure. Got a muffler going. Got the DAYZ wing and the skirts. We got some crazy stock. Oh, we got some carbon fiber here. Got some crazy stock Nissan wheels. I've never seen those on a Stagea before. Got the DAYZ kit in the front. Also retrofitted for a glow plate in the front too. 95,000 kilometers. There's the auction sheet. Oh, that's cool. This is a nice one. I do like that. Man, they got carbon fiber everywhere. It's carbon fibered out. This one looks like it's supposed to be there though. Oh, full Apex exhaust. We got a squeaky belt. 100% recommend you guys get full maintenance prior to export. On everything, even when it's not making squeaky belt noises. 100% recommend. Obi the mechanic could tune that right up for you. Obi the mechanic could tune that right up for you. But yeah, it looks fresh under here. Looks good. Belt stopped squeaking, probably got lubricated. RB25 DET. Seen some people do some crazy things to these Stages. R34 fronts and all. I do like the patterns on these, man. The patterns look pretty cool. Oh, the door cards are kind of... Oh, yeah, these are all four of them. What's going on here? So that could use some love. I do like this. I think that's pretty cool. Not that I would ever. I'm just saying it looks cool. I mean, you know, it's cool. Not that I would ever. Fuck. I miss my car. I miss my car. Yeah, so this one's here. If you need this one, let me know.